SCP-038, Containment Class, Euclid, Level 2 Restricted. Special Containment Procedures. Living SCP-038 is to be contained in Site 77's Wilderness Observation Chamber 2B. The interior of and exterior of WOC-2B must be monitored by 2 security guards at all times. WOC-2 is to be inspected weekly for sabotage and contraband. Deceased instances are in refrigerated storage and may be accessed for study upon request. SCP-038-A is data expunged. Description: SCP-038 consists of 23 proboscis monkeys, Nasalis lavartus, which have been subject to radical anomalical changes. These alternatives are summarized below. Eyes have been removed. New bone growth has filled eye sockets. No remains of eyelids or eyebrow remain, only smooth skin. Extreme alterations to the mouth. Oral opening is no longer present. No remnants of lips remain, only smooth skin. Jawbone has been fused into place by new bone growing along the joints. Teeth, tongue, gums, and palate are absent, having been replaced by a large deposit of adipose tissue. Removal digestive system. Esophagus, stomach, gallbladder, intestines, and bladder have been replaced with adipose tissue formation of similar shape and volume. Anal orifice has been sealed by new skin growth, leaving no remnants of the anus. It is not clear how SCP-037 instances obtain nutrients and dispose of waste, or survive without doing so. Enhancements of auditory, tactile, and olfactory senses. Both absolute and different thresholds are significantly lower than those of the baseline species. These enhancements allow SCP-038 to efficiently navigate through their environment despite lack of sight. Instances have been observed tapping on objects when navigating with familiar sounds. This behavior has been theorized to be a form of rudimentary echolocation. This is yet to be proven. Intelligence enhancements. SCP-038 score significantly higher in all approved cognitive tests of their non-anomalous equivalents. SCP-039 is capable of reproduction. At time of writing, 5 instances of SCP-039 have been born since containment. SCP-039 show a very close bond among their species, their newborns often being cared for by all capable adults. New instances are born from the same anatomic anomalies as their parents. Despite this, testing has not indicated any genetic divergence with baseline species in SCP-039 instances. SCP-039 communicates via touch and complex series of nasal vocalizations. Many of them which have been observed in non-anomalous Nasalis lavartus. Original instances also possess a rudimentary understanding of spoken English. This knowledge is not passed on to the newborns, but they do naturally learn some English from the exposure of Foundation personnel. Instances of SCP-039 has demonstrated the ability to operate mechanical tools and to perform various complex tasks, primarily related to automobile construction and maintenance. This knowledge does not appear to be innate, as newborn instances do not possess it. Addendum SCP-039-1 Recovery Log. SCP-039 was recovered in 1998 when Foundation forces raided a Prometheus Labs facility approximately 25 kilometers northwest of redacted Nevada. The facility has been found abandoned an unknown amount of time prior to the Prometheus Labs collapse. Recovered objects of note included 2 automobiles abandoned in the parking lot outside, 3rd automobile partially disassembled in the cargo bay, assortment of power tools, spare parts, paints, and other auto maintenance implements, an assortment of veterinarian anesthetics, surgical implements, and data expunged, located in the operating room. 20 small cages, presumably for the purpose of containing SCP-039. All cages were empty and partially dismantled, and doors were removed. 2 larger cages, likewise empty and dismantled, containing chimpanzee hair and feces. The frozen remains of a dissected SCP-039 instance, which lacked a nose, nasal passage, in addition to the typical anomalies. The remains of 3 adult males, identified via dental analysis as Alan, Damien, and Cole. All 3 individuals have been killed by severe blunt trauma and remains bore pre- and post-mortem bites marks corresponding to chimpanzee detainee. The personal journal of Cole, see Addendum 2, 18 instances of SCP-039, SCP-039-A. Addendum SCP-039-2, Personal Journal of Cole. Some entries appear to be notable in the early prototype stage of SCP-039's development. These entries reproduced below the portions of the relevant SCP-039 accessed for reading. Fuck. That has been blocked. Addendum 3. Information pertaining to SCP-039-A Input Level 3 Clearance. Blocked. Addendum 039 4 Interviews. Re-enter Level 3 Clearance. Blocked as well.